Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can recover deleted message conversation on your iPhone. So to get started, first of all, it applies only to above iOS 16. So now for that, go ahead and open up your message box. Now when you open up your message box, your all messages will be appeared on here. Now on the top left corner you can see the option called edit. Go ahead and tap on it. So once you tap on it, the three options will be appeared, which is select messages, edit panes, and show recently deleted messages. So now what you can do is go ahead and tap on that show recently deleted messages. So now once you do that, you can see the options. So here you can see you can only recover the messages within 30 days. Like if you have deleted the message before 30 days, then only you can recover it. So in order to recover it, go ahead and select the message that you want to recover. Now you can see the option called recover right there. Go ahead and tap on recover, and once you tap on it, you can again see the option called recover messages. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you do that, your message will be recovered. And that's all guys. This is how easily you can recover deleted message conversation on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.